Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Tom in Pennsylvania on this RCI-2970N4. Tom, it's all ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, as well as the HG transistor upgrade in the amp section for durability. And we got you fixed up, bud. RF power all the way down. We got a 500 watt slug in here. That's doing 20 watts carrier all the way down, just like you wanted. About 145 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 250 bird, 1000 watt slug in PEP. Hello, about 650 PEP. Alright, Tom, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.